Hello guys, I'm just gonna teach you a few basics of how to play Helena. I will just do so with this right hand. Now I'm gonna press keys like this so you can see what letters I'm pressing, and you can become more familiar with it. If you're an alphabet guy like I am, then you're gonna find the song really attractive, and you're gonna play the song. If you pay really close attention to the video, maybe even in less than 1 hour. So let's start with just the right hand, and then we'll move further along involving the left hand as well. So you're gonna start with the E for sure. You might want to take a look at this. Long, and then you're gonna press that twice. Ago. Now I'm gonna play the whole thing, but I'm gonna repeat it again. So just watch. Long ago. Just like the hers, you try to incinerate. We are the very hurt you sowed, burning up like the mascot. Da 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 da. So I'll do it one more time so you can see. One more time.